Lynette here, and in today's video we're unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag for October, so definitely stay tuned and let's get into the bag. Okay guys, so welcome back. I'm super excited to open up the Ipsy Glam Bag for October. As you can see, the first thing I see is that the padded envelope is totally different from what it was before. Ipsy, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription where you get 5 different deluxe and sample size items. Sometimes there will be a full size product in there. The beauty of the changes is, if you don't know, that they have now they have a where you get to choose one of the items. Sorry, I had a call and it totally distracted me. So you get to choose one of the items that are coming in your bag. So that's a huge plus for me. I love that. So I know one of the items that are in here. So I'm super pumped to see that. So if you guys don't know, I actually add as many Ipsy spoilers as I can onto this channel. So if you love spoilers, if you love subscriptions, if you just love reviews in general, definitely make sure you like and subscribe, because I've already updated the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate spoilers on the channel. So those have been up. I believe as of yesterday, those are there. So definitely go look at my old videos if you want to check that out. So first thing I'm noticing is, again, the bag is totally different. And we're gonna take the bag out, and sometimes they do add a product in here, so always take a look at your envelope. I don't have anything, but make sure you always take a look in here to make sure that they haven't sent anything that didn't fit in your bag. So first thing I see is the makeup bag that also comes with your Ipsy subscription. I am definitely excited about this one. I thought this was a cute addition for the month. I liked it. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you guys were happy about it. I used to watch Betty Boop when I was a little kid, so that was definitely a cool surprise for me. So this bag seems to be packed. As you can see, it's definitely full. So what are we gonna take a look at? And they also, cool thing about it is that they give you like a description folder here, so it gives you everything that's in your bag. It doesn't give you prices. The Ipsy Plus does, and so does the Ultimate. Those are $25 and $60 subscriptions. Those are a little bit more, but so cool. You get to see a full description of all the products in the description, and we'll put them in the description box below, but so you guys can see how to use your products. So first thing I am taking a look at, this is from Hempz Pure Herbal Extract. This is a triple moisturizer herbal whipped body cream. This is an all-day moisturizer. So this is 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. That's what it's made from. So you guys can take a look at that and check it out for yourself. I'm excited. This is I'll be honest, I've never tried a hemp product before, so this will be my first try at it. Let me take a look to see what this one is about. It says, tip, take a large dollop of the body cream into the palm of your hand, spread it evenly all over your body, focusing on spots that need a little TLC from your elbows and knees. So definitely excited to try that. I will take a look at that one for sure. Next thing I have here, this is actually from Betty Boop, and Betty Boop had a collaboration with Ipsy. So this is a drawn to your eyeliner. This is, what is this? Where are you? Seems to be a liquid liner. Let me see, this inky, it doesn't say, but it's precise. It is. And I drew too much, so that's how you can tell. It's definitely liquid liner. So that is how it is. It does not seem to be bleeding, so that's a plus. All right, so this one is, you guys can see that there. This one says, tip, draw a line along your upper lash line, thickening it as you reach the outer corner of your eye, then wing it up and out. So that is what that one looks like there. And then next, I have a couple items here. So the next item we have here is from, this is from Benefit. This is their Real Mascara. And actually, so this is gonna be a part of my first giveaway. So definitely make sure you're subscribed, because we will have this in a giveaway, because I've already received this in a different subscription. So this is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it says, tip, hold the wand horizontally and swipe through the length of your lashes, then hold it vertically to target your hard to reach hairs. And this is from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm not going to open it up because this will definitely be in a future giveaway, so stay tuned for that one for sure. And then the next item here we have, this is from Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. So that is what that looks like there. Let me see, it's kind of clear so it's hard to see, but this is a good size cleanser, not bad at all. I think this is actually, let me make sure. Yeah, this is probably the item I chose, I believe. This is a cleanser. I wanted to try Murad because Murad seems to be a good company. This one says massage a small amount of this cleanser over dampening face and neck, rinse with warm water and pat dry. We all know how to use a a cleanser, but I wanted to try this one from that company. And then last but not least, we have our last item here. This one is from Space Case Cosmetics. That's what that looks like there. And then this is a Space Case Cosmetics highlighter in Scene from Space 18. So obviously this is a highlighter. Now I'm not gonna swatch this because I have a couple of highlighters, but I'll give you guys an idea. So this is another item here for a giveaway. So this is what it looks like there. And then if you know anything about highlighters, you're gonna highlight the areas that you wish to highlight. So that is what that looks like there. So not bad. If I didn't have subscriptions, I would definitely be into this. The cool thing about Ipsy is you can tell them things that you want. So you can let them know you don't want another highlighter, you don't want eyeliner. You can kind of give them an idea of what items that you want. So let us do a recap so that we can take a look and see if this one was worth it. So let's start, and I'm gonna show you the inside. It's black. Sometimes the inside is like a different color, and I forgot to show you guys that. So definitely let me know in the comment section below, did you guys get any of these products? Because we're going to do a recap to see if this one was worth it. So we have from Space Case, we have that highlighter, and then we have the Betty Boop with Ipsy collaboration. We have that liner there. I like liquid liners. They're kind of tricky, but I do like them. I like them because they're darker than a pencil, so I do like that. And then we have Benefit Cosmetics, we have that mascara. So definitely two things that you guys are going to see in a future giveaway, so definitely stay tuned. And then we have the Murad cleanser. So I definitely love cleansers. I'm all about the cleanser, so definitely love skincare, anything skincare. And then we have this triple moisturizer body cream. So this is for your entire body, but when it's small like this, I tend to use it on my face or like a smaller area, so I am definitely not mad at that at all. So what did you guys think about Ipsy for October? Were you excited? Did you get anything that I got? Are we box twins like my friend Abadab says? Well, not my friend, she's my friend in my head. I always say that, but she's my friend in my head. What did you guys think about Ipsy for the month of October? Let me know in the comment section below. What did you get? Please let me know. I love to hear all the options because there's so many options that you could have gotten. Definitely let me know if we got anything similar because I'm definitely happy with my bag. And plus, I'm happy because you guys are gonna get a future giveaway, so there's 2 items in there. I literally have a full drawer of things from subscriptions that are duplicate, so that's where we're gonna do the duplicate. We're gonna definitely make sure that we get that first giveaway started. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe if you love videos like this, and you never miss another video because we definitely do a lot of subscription unboxings here. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on a future video. Have a good day, guys.